So Maderne Learning came about because I'd attended a lot of training sessions through my 20+ year career, and only a few of them ever stuck in my mind as being useful and or interesting. Some of them were quite boring, some of them the most interesting thing was lunch or going home at the end of the day, and there were very few that actually I found quite engaging. So Maderne Learning came about because I figured I had a lot of experience in my head, and the best way of actually using that experience was to share it with other people. And in that sort of environment, then training was going to be the way forwards. I actually stumbled across IOSH training as something that would be useful to introduce to existing clients, because I was working in an interim management position and none of the staff actually had the IOSH Managing Safely qualification. So it made sense for me to get myself qualified to train it and then to be actually able to deliver this training, both to those clients but to anybody else that really needed it. One of the brilliant things about the IOSH training is that it is actually based in practical, real-life experiences. So I use a lot of stories from my history and from my corporate career to actually illustrate some of the theory that we learn as part of the course. The courses are really engaging, and by the end of them, we hope to be able to send learners away with the knowledge and the confidence to actually undertake risk assessment in their own workplace, or to be able to work safely themselves. Either way, there is a win-win situation, both for the trainee, who is more engaged and feels more connected to their workplace, but also for their employer or the organisation that they're working with, because they then get a more engaged member of staff. They get somebody who can share their experiences with others and who can actually champion the training for other people within the organisation to ensure that everyone's working safely. So morale can be increased as a result of undertaking this type of training.